Hey guys, it's Damien from Marketing Food Online. I hope you guys are having a great day as always. I wanted to bring this follow-up video on onlinelabels.com to you guys. I have a lot of people asking me questions about where to get a logo, where to get a design logo, or they're trying to create their food packaging and they need to figure out kind of a design to make their products look great. These can either be designs that can be created by you or, in particular, what I wanted to show you today was the marketplace. They have Designer Marketplace here, where they have registered designers and graphic artists with online labels who can do work for you. Now, this just to let you know that the designs from these gentlemen and these ladies and gentlemen are much kind of a higher end. I don't want to necessarily say they're better than Fiverr. If you ever check out Fiverr.com, they have a great amount of artists on there. I've actually done business with Fiverr.com and had stuff done, logos and labels and things. But I did wanted to bring you this specifically because working through online labels, they screen them. You have to actually apply to become a designer. So they're really good, very high-end, good professional designs. So you click on that on the bottom, Design Marketplace. It's going to bring you to this page. Okay. Then you scroll down here and you want to take a look at some samples. I'll show you really quick. This is some of the work that some of the designers have done, these types of logos. Beautiful images, even photography with an overlay of text and different colors and fonts. If you want to do coupons for your local business, they do this type of graphic work. It's not necessarily just labels. So they do a lot. They offer a lot. So let me show you how to access them. You also, by the way, have to create an account really quick. Create an account with online labels. It's free. It's just enter your email. And that creates an account so you can log in and take a look at all the products and things. Because when you go down the road, you want to order from them, you got to kind of have an account set up. So find a designer. So click on that, and I'll show you really quick how this works. So you scroll down here. This is just a short list of, I won't go through all of them. There's a ton of them, okay? But you just take your time, go through here, check it out yourself and see what they offer. And they'll give you the name of the person, where they're from. The majority of them are USA based, okay? And they give you a starting price. Now, don't get too scared about this because around $100, some of them are even 10, some are even less. But the quality of the product, remember, you're going to be using this logo basically, hopefully forever, I would imagine, if you're going to create something for your packaging. So it's going to be super done very, very well, super good. The quality is going to be great. Let me just show you. For instance, this lady's starting price is $150. Now, keep in mind when you contact them, if you want to explain to them what you do, they can give you maybe a different quote, okay? Because some of them actually start at zero. Let me show you this. For instance, right here, start at zero. So this lady, Angela, I just randomly picked it out, Angela can create a design for you. She'll probably end up giving you a quote based on what you need, okay? So just because it says zero, that's just kind of like a starting point so she can figure out what you need. Some of them have a set amount. Maybe it's 40, maybe it's 50. Okay, so this one here, for instance, $50. Let's take a look at her portfolio. So then you can get an idea. Again, go through all of these different designers and figure out who's best for you. She does see a variety of stuff, like a cartoon, like animation type of style. She does some with graphics and overlay of text, okay, different fonts. And then these types of labels and logos as well. And a big variety, holiday or seasonal. So anyways, I want to just bring this to you guys, show this to you. And then I'm going to show you one more. I got two things I'm covering. So I wanted to show you this. So take a look at it, see if you find a designer, because I know sometimes when you're creating a food product, you're really great at baking or you're really good at the recipe, but not all of us are great at, candy making or producing a food product and design and logo and everything else. So hiring somebody out and paying them, even $50 to $100 to do it, it's well worth it. So let me show you this. Now, once you go to the Maestro label design, let me show you how to get there. Once you make an account, go to your account status here, and then scroll down. You want to go to label design. See this here? Launch Maestro. This is their label design program. Okay, and I had showed you there's a label. There's actually a video I have in my YouTube channel that covers how to use this. But what I want to show you now is their pre-designed templates. Check this out. So let's say you don't want to pay anybody and you just want something really basic or maybe just something already created. Go over here. You have all the categories selected, so it's literally 949. You see this here, 949 matches. So they have almost 1,000 pre-made labels for all kinds of holidays, different events, short, small, rectangular, circular, different types, different colors. Okay, And then let me just scroll this down here. These are the categories. You could choose from all of these, So what you could do is choose from all these different labels, and then from there, pick out which one works best for you. So I just want to keep it really short and sweet, but I did want to bring this to you guys' attention, show you this resource. It's a great one. And you can go through all of these different areas here and figure out which one is perfect for you. And they're pre-made. Or you can have a designer create like I showed you before. So, this guy's just really quick, give you a really good resource, something to check out.